Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. I'm at my second mining location today, and I just have a few little things that I want to show you guys that I'm going to be implementing. Just nothing big, just small stuff. And as well, I just wanted to give you guys an update of what's been going on here so far. And I may be selling some cards, so I'll let you guys know later in the video. But first, I wanted to upgrade my microphone, because right now you guys may have heard like I've been recording through my phone, right? When I do vlogs and stuff, I'm just using the onboard microphone on my OnePlus 6. But I thought, you know what, I need to upgrade the microphone. So I have a Rode SmartLav Plus, okay? So this is a lavalier microphone, and I have to attach this to my shirt, okay? And I'm curious to see how the audio quality will be on the videos now for when I do vlogs and stuff. So I'm gonna try this out, so let's switch to it right now. I have the SmartLav Plus plugged in. I'm not really sure how well I sound right now, but I guess I'll find out once I edit the video. But there you go. I hope I sound a little bit better and maybe a little bit more clear. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about the microphone that I'm using now. All right, so now let's just talk about my RX 480 rig here that I have on the ground. I did update you guys about a week and a half ago to 2 weeks ago about this rig. And so these are 8x RX 480 8GB cards, and they all have Samsung memory, okay? And with these Samsung memory cards, I'm able to get to 33 to 34 mega hash on ETH algorithm. So I'm really excited to get this going, and I am thinking of actually putting these on the Kryptonite algorithm because it's summertime and I don't want everything to be running pretty hot. And I mean, as of right now, my place is This second mining location is actually getting a little bit warmer. It's not too bad, but it's getting a little bit warmer. So that's why I want to utilize this rig to go on to Kryptonite algorithm of some sort, whether that be, I don't know, CCX or what's another Kryptonite algorithm? Rio? I think Rio is a new up and coming coin. And yeah, so I'll probably do a video on that. But I'll also showcase to you guys the Ethereum hash rate on this as well, mining like Ethereum or Ethereum Classic. I already have the motherboard, and I'm just waiting on a smaller 450 watt power supply. Okay, so I decided not to go with one of those Pico power supplies that bridges off the server power supply. I don't know, some people had good experiences and bad experiences with them. I said to myself, I might as well just go with stability and reliability and just go with a simple I have a Corsair 450 watt power supply coming, just a small one that's going to power just the motherboard and the hard drive, okay? I want the server power supply to power everything else, okay? So I actually have PCIe splitters coming, so I'll be able to split off these, which there are 8 PCIe cables here for the 8 of the video cards, but I need the splitter to split off each of these because so that I can power, for each strand, I can power a RX 480 and the riser as well, okay? So I'm gonna have U-bit risers with these cards, and I'll have a PCIe 8-pin going into here and a PCIe 6-pin going into the riser. And that will be utilized with one strand per RX 480, okay? So I've heard and seen from other YouTubers and people saying online that you should have all of your cards and risers on the same power supply, or else you will get some crazy heat problems or power issues where if you had your risers and your graphic cards on separate power supplies, then that may cause some problems. And so yeah, I'm hoping once I get those splitters, then I'll be able to build this because I have the motherboard and everything else. All right guys, so yeah, that's the update on this RX 480 build. It's looking real nice. Soon, okay? Soon TM. I'll have this all ready to go, and I'll let you guys know very soon. Okay, now next up is, now that I have I'm going to be adding another rig, which is the RX 480 rig. And I mentioned to you guys that I'm using 4 rigs on one 15 amp bank, okay, on this 30 amp 240 volt PDU, and utilizing at about 9 or 8 amps right now on these 4 rigs, okay? And with these 2 rigs right now, they're utilizing about 6 amps on the other bank, 15 amp bank, so which is about, yeah, 6 amps. I'm going to expect that this RX 480 build is going to utilize maybe 5 to 6 amps. I'm not sure what the power consumption will be yet on this rig, but I guess we'll find out and see if it'll go from 6 to about 9 or 10 or 11 or 12 amps total on the right bank. And then I think I'm good. I'm not going to add in any more rigs on this PDU because then they'll be using about 20 to 22 amps total out of 30 amps, and that's as much as I want to go. I don't want to go all full-blown 30 amps, which is not safe. I believe the PDU itself can go up to 24 amps safely, but I just want to go a little bit below that, like 20 amps or 21, 22 amps at the most, just to be safe. And yeah. Okay, now next up I want to talk about is the internet connection. So I have a existing right now 5-port Linksys network switch, okay? And I need more network ports. So I picked up this really cheap TP-Link gigabit desktop switch, and I only got it for 10 bucks on Craigslist. And this is really all I need. I need these 8 ports because then I'll be able to utilize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rigs on this network switch, and where the first port will go into the power line adapter, which goes into the wall here, as you guys can see. And so yeah, so all 7 ports should be utilized by the mining rigs, and 1 will go into the power line. So that'll be cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install that right now in 3, 2, 1. And there we go. The TP-Link 8-port gigabit switch is in. You guys can see I have the first port going into the wall and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into the mining rigs here. So currently I have 6 rigs running, and I have 1 more port left for the RX 480 build that will be coming very soon. Okay. And here's the old switch that I had, which is obviously still really good, but I can utilize this somewhere else. All right. And then now I want to come to the end of the video where I said I was going to be selling some cards, and I'm not going to be selling any cards in this location here, okay? I'm not selling anything here, but I'm going to be selling cards that are in my other location. Can you guys guess which cards I'm going to sell here? But I did talk about it before, and I did kind of hint into what cards I would be selling. So I'm going to be selling these Asus Strix RX 570 4GB cards. The reasoning why I'm selling these RX 570 4GB cards is because I've had nothing but issues with these. I've had them stable for a while, but I occasionally have some issues, and I've tried using Hive OS, I've tried using SMOS on this rig, I've tried doing it in Windows, which obviously, you know, it's not as stable in Windows for some reason for these cards. I don't know what it is. I've tried different risers, I've tried different BIOSes, and these cards also run very hot, and they all have Elpida RAM. So I'm gonna sell these 6 cards that I have at my first mining location, which I've shown you guys in my grow tent, okay? So I'm gonna get rid of these. I'm not very happy with these, and I'll be able to hopefully use the money to buy a bunch of new cards, which I'm not sure yet, so I'll let you guys know, and I'll keep you updated on when that's gonna happen. So I'm gonna take these boxes home with me, and I'll put all those Asus Strix cards in their boxes and see if I can get much money out of them, and I'll keep you guys updated. But anyways, that's the end of the vlog, my friends. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below, and let me know how my mic sounds now. I'm not sure if this Rode SmartLav mic is any better than my phone mic, but let me know. I appreciate you guys so much. Smash the like button and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good one, everyone, and peace out.